Your welcome in Mataji class. Before this, we have completed root 2, root 3, root 5, root 7 is irrational, and all videos are in Hindi, English and Hindi English 3 types. The links are given in this video descriptions. In this video, first we will prove 3 root 2 is irrational, but we will not prove by this method. This method will be used if only root 2 is irrational given. If only root 2 is irrational given, then we can prove by this method. Now we will prove this question by other method. This is second stage of proof of irrational. In first stage, we have proved root 2 is irrational, root 3 is irrational. So in this question, examiner know that you know proof of root 2 is irrational, or you know root 2 is irrational. So according to level of this question, it is assumed that you know root 2 is irrational. Now we will solve these questions. Let us assume to the contrary that 3 root 2 is rational. Contrary means opposite to given condition. Given condition is 3 root 2 is irrational, and we assume opposite to this condition rational. So this is contrary to the given condition. 3 root 2 is rational, and we know that any rational value becomes in form of a by b or p by q, where denominator not becomes equal to 0. So we can write 3 root 2 equal a by b, where a and b are co-prime integers. You can write only a and b are integers. If you want to write, then you can write a and b are integers in these questions. And after this, we rearrange these questions. The 3 goes in denominator. 3 goes in denominator. So root 2 equal to becomes a by root 3b. Root 2 equal to a by 3b. Since 3 a and b are integers, a and b are integers given, and you know that 3 becomes integers, and you know integers by integers, multiplication or divide, we get rationals. And if a by 3b is rational, if a by 3b is rational, and this a by 3b is equal to root 2, this a by 3b is equal to root 2. So root 2 will be rational according to this. If a by 3b is rational, because a is integers, b integers, and 3 is integers, and numerator by denominator becomes rational. So root 2 will be rational. But before these questions, we have proved root 2 is irrational. Root 2 is irrational, and here root 2 is rational. So this contradicts the fact that root 2 is irrational. because before this question in theorem we have proved root 2 is irrational, and but according to these solutions root 2 is irrational. So this contradicts the fact root 2 is irrational, and this contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumptions. 3 root 2 is rational, because in starting we suppose 3 root 2 is rational. 3 root 2 is rational, and root 2 is irrational. This contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumptions. 3 root 2 is rational, and we know that any numbers becomes two types, rational or irrational. So if this 3 root 2 is not rational, then this will be irrational. So we conclude that 3 root 2 is irrational. One time revise this question again. 3 root 2 is irrational. Contrary to this irrational, first we suppose 3 root 2 is rational, and if value is rational, then will be a by b, and a and b are integers, and by rearranging we get root 2 equal to a by 3b. This 3 goes in denominator, and 3ab are integers. If a 3b are integers, then this a by 3b will be rational, and if this a by 3b will be rational, then root 2 will be rational, and this is contradicts the fact that root 2 is irrational, and this contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumptions. 3 root 2 is irrational. So this 3 root 2 not will be rational. So 3 root 2 is irrational. Similar to this question, examiner can ask in your exam other type question. Suppose at the place of 3 is 7, then this at the place of 3 will be 7, and here will be 7, and similarly a by 7b is rational, and this a by 7b is rational, so root 2 is irrational, and this contradicts the fact root 2 is irrational. So assumptions 7 root 2 is irrational is incorrect, hence 7 root 2 will be irrational. So if in your exam examiner ask different types questions, then you can solve without hesitations. Here a question is given for your practice. You solve these questions, and answers photocopy you can send my Mataji class Telegram channel. For more clarity, again we solve this type of questions. Here 7 root 5 is irrational. In this question, first we assume contrary to these questions. In these questions irrational, and contrary of this question will be irrational. 7 root 5 is rational, and if 7 root 5 is rational, then this will be a by b, and b is not equal to 0, where a and b are co-prime integers. Similar to next question, again we arrange this question, and this 7 will be in denominator, and we find a by 7b, and here 7a and b are integers. 7a and b are integers, so a by 7b. So a by 7b will be rational, because integer by integer becomes rational. so root 5 is rational, because this a by b is equal to root 5, so this is rational. But this contradicts the fact that root 5 is irrational, because we know that root 5 is irrational. In this method, examiner assume that you know root 5 is irrational, and here according to these questions of solutions, root 5 a by 7b is rational, so root 5 is rational. But this contradicts the fact root 5 is irrational, and this contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumptions 7 root 5 is rational. This contradiction arises because in starting we assume contrary to 7 root 5 is irrational, so this contradiction arises. So this is clear that 7 root 5 is not rational, and if this is not rational, then this will be irrational, because number becomes only two types, rational and irrational, so this will be irrational. Again we will solve questions. 1 by root 2 is irrational. This question is important for your exam. Let us assume to the contrary. Similar to above questions, contrary 1 by root 2 is rational, because in questions given irrational and we take contrary 1 by root 2 is rational, and this 1 by root 2 will be a by b, because rational number becomes in form of a by b. B is not equal to denominator not becomes equal to 0, and a and b are integer, co-prime integers. Rearranging we get we get root 2 equal to b by a, and in rearranging we done opposite or reciprocal, and reciprocal of 1 by root 2 will be root 2, and reciprocal of a by b will be a by b, and reciprocal of this 1 by root becomes root 2 by 1, and we know root 2 by 1 becomes equal to root 2, hence this will be equal to b by a. Root 2 equal to b by a, and a and b are integers. Here a and b are integers, so b by a will be rationals, because integers by integer becomes rational, so root 2 is irrational. So root 2 is root 2 is according to this root 2 is rational, because b by a is rational, and we know that root 2 is irrational, but this contradicts the fact that root 2 is irrational, because according to these questions b by a is rational, so root 2 is rational, but this is contradicts the fact root 2 is irrational, and these contradictions has arisen because of our incorrect assumptions. This contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumptions. 1 by root 2 is rational. In starting we assume 1 by root 2 is rational. This contradiction arises due to this 1 by root 2 is rational. So 1 by root 2 not will be rational, and if this not will be rational, then we conclude that 1 by root 2 is irrational. Similar to these questions, your examiner can ask say 1 by root 2. If in your exam say 1 by root 2, then here will be say 1 by root 2, say 1 by root 2, and reciprocal of this will be root 2 by 7. Then you arrange one line more. Here will be root 2 equal to 7 by 7b by a. 7b by a. Here root 2 will be equal to 7b by a. And here 7b and a are integers, so 7b by a will be rationals, and if 7b by a is rational, then root 2 is rational. This contradicts the fact that root 2 is irrational, because you know that earlier root 2 is irrational. This contradiction has arisen because of our incorrect assumptions that 1 by root 2 is rational. Here will be 7 and 7 by root 2 is irrational. So if in your exam becomes at the place of 7, 3, 2 other types, then you can solve this without any hesitations. For your more practice, there are two questions. 2 by root 3 is irrational and 1 by root 3 is irrational. You can solve these questions, and answers photocopy can send my Telegram Mataji class Telegram channels. You can join Mataji class on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram. Mataji class. Subscribe, like, and you can share this video your friends. Thanks. After this, we will prove third stage of irrational as 6 plus root 2 is irrational, and similar to many other questions as 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. This type of questions we will solve in other video. Thanks.